Mind your left. And something's really rattling. My front fender. Why is that all wackadoo? I'm in the truck, maybe? There it is. That's straight enough. You holding my bike up for me?
Okay.
Thank you.
Yeah, your turn signal was still one side. And then not.
Probably hit and whacked in the truck. Okay. I heard it before, but I didn't know where it was coming from. Everything closed?
Yeah.
Okay. You ready?
Oh, okay.
Well, I gotta call Holly. Hello? Hello?
Hello.
Yeah, I had you on speaker and it turned itself off. We're on the trail.
Oh, good.
What time is it?
It's 11:59.
Oh man, 2 hours. Next time I gotta have more of the stuff on the bike.
Like what?
What?
Like what?
Well, my stuff that goes in the saddlebags and yabba 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 yabba. Oh, we're on gravel here. It does turn to pavement after a ways.
Did it take you all this time to get there?
No, it took us all this time to get on the trail. I called you as soon as I got on the trail.
Okay.
Smells good here, some kind of flowers. Probably these purpley looking things. So it's noisy now because I'm on gravel, so it's hard to hear you. I don't know if you can hear me okay?
I can hear you just fine.
Oh, okay. It's hard to hear you always. There was one car in the parking lot after we got here. He's eating his lunch.
So you didn't have any trouble finding a place?
What? Wait a minute. What?
You didn't have any trouble finding a place to park?
I don't know what you're saying. I can't hear you with the gravel noise. Let me see if I can turn the volume up. I think it's up all the way. I can't even see my screen because of the sun. And I ain't stopping. So, love you, goodbye. I'll talk to you again when I hit the pavement. Oh,
had no problem with that thing moving.
what moving?
That bike.
Oh, hell no. Why, you're working a little too hard on this coarse rock? It's about like pea gravel, I guess. Limestone screens are a lot easier to ride on.
Are you running on 2 or what?
I don't have, I'm on 1, but that doesn't matter.
One is always a rig. You get 2 on front only? No.
No, I'm on rear only.
So priority is the rear, right?
Yes, default. But 1, it's not like on that. 1 is a speed control, not a power control. So I have cruise control turned on.
And the wheel, can you just on front drive only?
No,
Oh, the rear first. Unless
I unplug the rear and it might throw a fault or something. I don't know.
It's like 4x4. It's always rear first.
Yeah. How is the skinny tires on this stuff? How are the skinny tires on this gravel?
Oh, not too bad.
Oh, okay. I cranked them up nice and hard for you. Now they're at 40.
Well, easier.
My standard, yeah.
Oh, this isn't bad. I could ride this on regular mountain bike. As long as nothing moves, it's good. Back down.
Yeah, this is kind of crappy, isn't it?
You can ride a street bike on this.
Oh, yeah, but it's bumpy. And this thing is full suspension, but you wouldn't know it. The rear shock on here is a spring in a can, as they say. Oh, piece of shit. This was cheap for what I got. Oh. See, I'm on cruise control now. I don't like it, but it's better than nothing. Woo!
I was over this fast.
Well, one on that is not speed, it's power. This one is speed. It's just a speed controller, which I'm not crazy about, but whatever. It is what it is. No, I like my cruise control to be a button. This you have to hold the throttle absolutely still for I think it's 5 or 10 seconds. Well, when it's bumpy, that's near impossible to do. And it kicks in when you least expect it. Was that your brakes or was that a rooster?
I don't know. Oh, it's not a bird. Okay. Yeah. Okay.
It's the warning rooster. The rooster alarm. There's picnic tables. What is that? This must be whatchamacallit. Cameron, Ireland. The one we were going to park in.
Yeah.
Tapperin.
This here and one.
Yeah.
Past one is like 0. It went over 10, 15. See?
Oh, well, you got to remember the controller's fried. That's why it won't turn off. That's why even when the bike is off, you've still got throttle.
Yeah.
Yeah, so it's unlimited.
Yeah.
Until you run out of volts.
Right there. Left. Possibly.
Yeah.